Hey everybody, welcome to the Oh So Happy channel. You are watching another 5-minute block series tutorial, and today we're doing the rail fence quilt block. Yesterday I went to a tea party, a holiday tea party with my quilt guild. We had so much fun. The martini lemon drops were dropping. Food was amazing. We had a secret Santa and I received some fabric. Clip this right here. We just gonna make that work right there. So here is the fabric bundle that I received. Yes, it's Christmas themed. And so today for my tutorial, I decided what better fabric to cut into than some I just received. So I took this one out and added a blue from my stash. Check that out. Beautiful. I love blue. Mama loves blue. All right. And I came up with this. So stick with me for a moment and we'll put it together. To make this quilt block, you'll need 3 coordinating and yet contrasting fabrics cut with the fabric in 2.5-inch strips. Please note, whichever fabrics you place on the outside of your quilt block will be the ones that zigzag and dominate in your quilt pattern. Take your first strip and place it on top of the second strip, right sides together. Sew them together using a 1/4-inch seam and iron your strips open. Repeat the process with the last strip, joining all 3 together. Now cut your strips into 6.5-inch blocks. Now sew your rows together, and to finish your quilt top, combine the rows. Add borders to increase the size, add visual interest, and frame your blocks. Isn't the rail fence quilt the easiest you've ever done? Let me know in the comments. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.